is okay. Well, the lift in building 76 was filmed. There's got to be, and there are more buildings to film here in the world. There would have been if, well, that's the matter. And if we find the building open, then we will get inside. Oh boy, well, no. You never get into the building 72 because they're not residents of the building 72. Well, this is also not any resident of building 72. And this is good that this is to turn left. Oh my god, who is that? Well, well, but we are not going into this direction. We're going into this direction. Left. I don't freaking care. Some people is there about. Look at that, guys. This lift is a -1 the lift in building 38. Isn't parking. And now in building 14 we go along to the next lift, which is Osima. So we can look like very old. Why do you go upstairs? Well, we're going also down in the lift. So there's resident of the house in the first floor. Let's get up to the 7th floor. Well, just do this so quickly. Let's swap to the other window. Because the direction of the other glasses of this lift is going in different directions. This lift is so strange. There. Wow, this lift is so nice. Let's get back to the ground floor. Look at these fixtures. They look like an old lift button. Ooh. And whatever they look like over the fixtures of this lift. So they look like they were trying to live over filming my real clone. And as well, I don't really have to swap the other glass. We're in the ground floor right now. So it's very nice. This is all.